What can you recommend for the healthy diet, especially in consideration of our modern lifestyle?
Okay, actually, like as we were discussing before, the vegetarianism only can bring world peace. And as you have said, that what is a healthy diet, I just want to tell you that the human intestine is meant for a vegetarian diet because it's very long. It's a very long intestine. It's a large intestine. It's a small intestine. It's very long, and it's particularly meant for digesting the vegetarian food. And animal intestine, like tiger's intestine, fox's intestine, very small, so that they need organized food which is already digested, like meat. This is one thing. So human intestine is made for vegetarian food. About health, we know that all the meat have a lot of saturated fat, like beef or sheep and other, and they produce coronary artery disease, they produce a lot of heart attacks, and actually the epidemic of heart attack because of the block in the coronary circulation is now all over the world and everywhere, all over, particularly in the developing countries like India, Pakistan, and all the heart attacks are going up and up. And in the Western countries also it is there, but because vegetarianism is increasing in Western countries, so the incidence of heart attacks are becoming less, but it's becoming more in the developing countries, meat eating, so the heart attacks are becoming more in the developing countries.
What is your personal medical experience? How you specialize? Are you confronted with the reaction of the wrong food?
Yeah.
People, your patients?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, all our heart attack patients have big tummies. They eat a lot of non-veg, lot of all this chicken and meat and all, and they have bad habits also. They smoke and they drink, and then that's also there. But because of their food habit, and then incidence of heart attack is very common. And then very bad that in India the common heart attack patients are below 40 years of age. They're 35, 38, 40. When they're at the peak of their responsibilities, when they're at the peak of their careers, they get a heart attack, and many of them die. So, and we find it, and then we tell them to eat properly, eat healthy diet, lot of fruits and vegetables, like spinach, what do you call gajar and all. So that is bringing their cholesterol down. That is, they are losing their weight, and then they are really doing well, and their symptoms of heart, like angina, heart failure, the symptoms become much less.
You are working in a hospital?
Yeah, I am an interventional cardiologist in a hospital near here. It's called SHK Hospital, Shri Rishikesh Eye Hospital. And we do all, we open the blocked arteries, and we open blocked valves and all those interventional work. But it's more satisfying to prevent these diseases than treat these diseases, because once the heart muscle is damaged, you can't get that muscle back. So you have to prevent it, and prevention is through proper diet. That's a vegetarian diet. Lot of fruits, at least 500 grams of fruits and vegetables every day.